So, before we start with learning Golang, let's first understand the history and inspiration behind developing Golang. To start with, Golang was created by the engineers at Google. So, at the time of Go's inception, that's only a decade ago, the programming world was different from today. Production software was usually written in C++ or Java, and it was clear that multiprocessors were becoming universal. But most languages offered little help to program them efficiently and safely. The engineers that created Go had become frustrated by the undue complexity that was required to use those languages. So, Go addressed these issues by attempting to combine the ease of programming of an interpreted, dynamically typed language such as Python with the efficiency and safety of a statically typed, compiled language such as C++. And it also aimed to be modern with support for networked and multi core computing. Well, we'll be learning about the difference between static and dynamic kinds of languages in the next module. So, Golang is a compiled programming language, which means that the source code, which is the code you write, is translated into a language that your computer can understand. Therefore, before we can write a Go program, we need the Go compiler. So let us see the steps to install Golang and set it up in our systems. So to download and install Go quickly, you can head over to go.dev/doc/install. Over here, we can see the steps to download and install Go quickly. You can simply select the tab for your computer's operating system and then follow its instructions. For me, I would be going for the Mac setup, so I'm simply going to download the package file. Over here, we can see that the file is getting downloaded. Now, once the file is downloaded, we will be following all the prompts by the installer. This will make sure to install the Go distribution and will also put the installation directory in the path environment variable. Just keep following the prompts by the installer. Now, once you see that the installation has been completed, head over to the terminal. Now, we would be verifying if Go has been installed successfully or not by typing Go version. So if Go has been installed successfully, the command will print the Golang version installed in your system. Now, the Go tool suite is made up of several different commands and subcommands. A list of those commands is available by typing Go help. So you can read over these commands such as clean, that is to remove object files and cached files. Now, let us create a workspace for us to store all our Go programs. You can create a directory anywhere you want. In my case, I'll head over to Home, create a directory called Workspace over there, and then create a file called main.go. Now, open your workspace in your favorite IDE. I would be going for VS Code. So as you can see, we have our file main.go over here. Let us write a simple program that simply prints hello world. And don't worry, we would learn what all of this means in the upcoming video. Now save the file and head over to the terminal. Now type go run and name of the file. In this case, the name of our file is main.go. So we would write go run main.go. And we can see hello world in the output. Now, at Code Cloud, for you to practice, you get lab environments right in the browser. And you need not install anything over here. The instructions to create a Go file and then run it in the terminal are also present in the README file. So to start with, we will be creating our main.go file. In this file, we would be writing a simple Hello World program. Now, once you are done writing the program, use the shortcut to open the terminal as given in the README file. So over here, I will be using Control and backcode to open the terminal. And now we can simply type go, run, and the name of the file, which is main.go in our case. Now, when we run a program, we get the output in our console, which is Hello World. Well, that's it for this lecture. We'll see you in the next one.